Imagine waking up one Monday morning, groggy from staying up too late scrolling through social media, checking your bank account, and realizing you have exactly $37.42 until your next paycheck, and right as you're about to breathe a sigh of relief, your phone buzzes with a notification from the auto shop. Your car's transmission has a minor leak that will cost $450 to fix, an expense you cannot afford because your checking account is already empty. Your credit card is maxed out at $1,200. Rent of $1,250 is due tomorrow. Utilities of $230 are coming out in 2 days. The cell phone bill is $90. Internet is $60. And groceries for the week will be at least $120 if you try to shop carefully at the discount store, and you think maybe you can ignore it like you ignored the $75 oil change that was due last month, or the $60 brake pads replacement. But a month later, that $450 problem has snowballed into a full-blown $2,300 repair, not including the $180 in missed wages because you had to call out of work when your car broke down on the highway during rush hour, plus the $35 tow fee, $45 in Uber rides while the car was being repaired, $15 in coffee to stay awake during stressful rides, and the added stress of potentially losing clients because you couldn't make meetings. And as you sit there staring at the numbers, you realize this isn't just a series of unfortunate events. It's a mathematical certainty, a formula written by the universe that punishes the poor for being poor, a relentless financial gravity that pulls you down even when you're trying your hardest to climb. And it's the same reason why a $50 pair of leather boots lasts 10 years for someone who can afford them, while a $10 pair of cardboard boots falls apart after one season, forcing the poor to spend $100 over 10 years and still walk around with wet, uncomfortable feet. Or why buying a single roll of paper towels at $1.50 each instead of a bulk pack at 50 cents per roll effectively costs you 3 times more, or why buying one bottle of $3.50 dish soap every 2 weeks instead of a $9.99 jug every 3 months costs an extra $50 a year, or why banks treat a customer with $10,000 in their account like royalty, waiving fees, offering low-interest loans, and maybe even paying a tiny bit of interest, while someone with $20 in the account who overdrafts by $5 gets hit with a $35 fee, amounting to a 700% annualized interest rate. And it's why your functional IQ drops by 13 points under financial stress, making it nearly impossible to make the smart decisions you know you should, which is why people take payday loans at 400% interest, buy lottery tickets hoping for a miracle, or choose fast food over cooking because their cognitive bandwidth is maxed out simply surviving day to day. And the poverty trap extends beyond groceries and banking. It infects every aspect of daily life, from the $4,000 clunker sold at $8,000 with 24% interest at a buy here, pay here lot that will likely break down before the loan is paid off, to the $2,000 a month apartment rental where you build zero equity and are paying your landlord's mortgage plus a profit margin, while a house of the same size purchased for $200,000 with a 4% interest mortgage costs $1,200 a month and builds ownership over time. And don't forget the hidden cost of time. Laundromats that take 2 hours for $5 versus a washer, dryer at home that takes 5 minutes. Traveling an hour to get groceries in a food desert where convenience stores inflate prices by 30–50%. Or having to make multiple trips to buy what someone with cash buys in one bulk purchase, because every minute spent navigating scarcity is time lost for work, rest, family, or learning new skills, which is why escaping poverty isn't about luck. It's about understanding and attacking the math itself, creating that first $1,000 buffer that transforms a flat tire from a financial disaster into a manageable inconvenience, paying off high-interest credit cards for a guaranteed 20% return. Buying high-quality appliances that last 5–10 years instead of replacing $10 cheap alternatives every year. Fixing small leaks before they ruin your floors. Investing in a $50 toaster that lasts a decade instead of buying replacements annually. And in every choice thinking not just about the immediate cost but the total cost of ownership, because when you do, suddenly the numbers that once enslaved you become tools that empower you, and you start to see patterns everywhere. The $500 saved by working extra shifts this weekend isn't just extra cash, it's a strategic strike against the $2,000 car repair looming next month. The $200 saved by buying groceries in bulk isn't frugality. It's a $600 difference over the year, money that stays in your pocket rather than paying the convenience premium. $150 invested in a monthly side hustle, like delivering groceries, driving for a rideshare, flipping thrifted items, or doing DoorDash, can generate $1,800 extra per year, enough to prevent one unexpected $1,500 expense from becoming a debt spiral. $50 spent on Uber Eats weekly versus cooking at home for $15 per meal costs an extra $350 per month, or $4,200 per year, which could instead fund your first $1,000 emergency fund within 3 months if reallocated. $30 saved by couponing weekly groceries compounds to $1,560 a year, enough to pay for unexpected medical bills. $10 saved on energy by unplugging electronics and adjusting thermostats each week totals $520 a year, which covers almost half a month's rent in some cities. $200 a year spent unnecessarily on subscription streaming services you never watch can be redirected to emergency savings. $15 per month for premium coffee bought outside can be reduced to $5 if brewed at home, saving $120 per year, and these small numbers add up, illustrating the power of deliberate choices. The $1,000 emergency fund you build isn't just security, it's a bridge to opportunity, allowing you to negotiate better insurance deductibles, avoid overdraft fees, and even leverage small savings into side hustles that generate $150, $300 a week without added stress. And as you audit your life for vampire costs, the subscription you forgot about for $19.99, the predatory $350 auto loan interest, the $5 per roll paper towels, the $2 per bottle shampoo that costs half as much in bulk. You begin to feel the power of awareness, the mental shift from, "I can't afford this," to, "What is the total cost of making the right choice over 5, 10, or 20 years? And this is where the real compounding begins, because every dollar you save, every smart purchase you make, every investment in quality and reliability, buys you freedom in time, mental energy, and future income, and soon the snowball grows. That $1,000 buffer leads to a reliable used car purchased for $4,500 instead of $8,000 at 24% interest, which allows you to take extra shifts without fear of breakdown, adding $200 a month in income, which compounds into the ability to invest in tools, equipment, or a small side business that generates another $500 a month, and suddenly the $50 pair of boots that lasts 10 years is a microcosm of every smart financial decision. It saves you repeated costs, it frees cognitive bandwidth to think strategically, it prevents emergency spending, and it slowly rewires your life from reactive survival mode to proactive financial control, and the numbers become impossible to ignore. The first $500 invested in stopping high-interest leaks might save you $2,000 in avoidable fees the next year. $1,000 saved in an emergency fund could prevent a $4,000 car repair from turning into a payday loan spiral. $2,500 invested in durable household items might prevent $500 a year in replacement costs, which compounds into thousands over a decade, illustrating vividly why starting with a buffer is the highest return investment you can make. Far higher than the 7-8% you might expect from stock market gains, because unlike investing in the market, which carries risk and uncertainty, these decisions have guaranteed returns in reduced costs, reduced stress, and increased optionality, and the psychological impact is just as important. Each dollar you save builds confidence. Each smart choice teaches delayed gratification. Each prevented emergency reduces scarcity mindset, allowing your functional IQ to rise back to normal levels and enabling better decision-making. And as the months turn into years, the compounding effect of fighting the poverty tax becomes staggering. Someone starting at zero might take 5 years to save $10,000 because of constant fees, poor quality purchases, and emergency setbacks, while someone who masters the buffer strategy, total cost thinking, and strategic investment in reliability can grow from $0 to $50,000 in the same time frame, completely changing life trajectory. And all of this illustrates a central truth. Being broke isn't just inconvenient, it's mathematically expensive, but the same math, once understood, can be leveraged to build wealth, freedom, and security, and by applying these principles consistently, every aspect of life changes. Your choice of groceries, your appliances, your transportation, your housing, even your mental bandwidth and health improve, because financial stress directly impacts sleep, cognitive capacity, and physical well-being, and every avoided overdraft fee, every avoided predatory loan, every bulk purchase instead of single-unit convenience purchase, every durable product instead of cheap replacement, is a step toward breaking the cycle. And once you internalize this, the small numbers become powerful tools. $37.42 in your account no longer feels hopeless. It's a starting point, a puzzle to solve, a set of choices that compound into larger wins. $100 saved from avoiding unnecessary fees becomes $1,200 a year. $500 put toward debt elimination is a 20% guaranteed ROI. $1,000 in durable items saves $500. $1,000 over a decade. $50 per month invested in groceries, efficiency tools, and time-saving strategies compounds into thousands of dollars in freed mental energy and future earnings over a decade. And when you apply this logic across every decision, suddenly the life that felt rigged against you begins to tilt in your favor, and what was once a reactive struggle to survive transforms into a proactive strategy to thrive, where time, money, and mental energy compound in your favor, and where the first $1,000 saved isn't just money. It is the seed of freedom, the foundation of opportunity, the very leverage that allows you to escape the hidden financial gravity that keeps most people trapped. And as you continue this process, making deliberate, calculated financial decisions, attacking the poverty penalties, buying quality ones, paying off high-interest debt, and creating buffers for emergencies, you realize that financial independence isn't about luck or magic. It's about understanding the hidden math, exploiting it strategically, and building compounding advantage in every corner of life. And when you finally understand this, the world opens up in ways that feel exponential, because the money you save, the purchases you make, the time you reclaim, the mental energy you preserve, and the opportunities you unlock all start to compound like interest. And one day, looking back at the $37.42 you once had, you realize that tiny starting point became the foundation for tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, in wealth, freedom, and peace of mind. And it all started with understanding the principle that being broke costs more than you think, but fighting the math strategically turns the tables permanently. And that, my friend, is the hidden truth the financial system doesn't want you to know. That your first $1,000 buffer, your first high-quality purchase, your first strategic debt repayment, and your first calculated choice to avoid paying the poor tax, is worth more than any lottery ticket, any stock tip, or any side hustle, because it isn't luck. It's guaranteed leverage, guaranteed return, and guaranteed freedom that compounds every single day. And once you internalize this math, once you apply it to every dollar, every purchase, every investment in quality, every choice of time versus convenience, every avoided fee, every strategic decision, you stop surviving paycheck to paycheck. You stop paying triple for convenience. You stop trading time for money under scarcity, and you start building a life where each decision adds to compounding advantage, until eventually the freedom, the optionality, and the financial security you gain makes the early struggles of being broke almost unrecognizable, proving definitively that while poverty is expensive, knowledge, strategy, and deliberate financial action are worth exponentially more, and the math, once mastered, is your most powerful asset in building the life you deserve, because in the end, the $37.42 you once thought was hopeless becomes a story of transformation, illustrating that the small, deliberate, calculated moves you make today are the foundation for financial freedom, opportunity, and peace of mind tomorrow. And every single dollar saved, every thoughtful purchase, every avoided fee, every investment in reliability and quality, compounds into a life where scarcity no longer dictates your choices, where time, mental energy, and money work for you instead of against you, and where freedom, independence, and security are no longer distant dreams but tangible realities you control. And once you understand this principle, once you internalize the math of poverty and strategic wealth, every financial decision you make becomes a weapon against scarcity, and every dollar you save becomes a soldier in your army for freedom, and every hour you reclaim from inefficiency compounds into opportunities for skill building, business growth, and long-term financial security, creating a life where you are no longer reacting to emergencies but strategically building a fortress of wealth, freedom, and peace of mind that grows stronger every day, month, and year, until the small starting point that felt so hopeless, $37.42 in the bank, a leaky car, a rent payment looming, transforms into a life defined not by scarcity but by compound advantage, strategic thinking, and deliberate financial empowerment, proving once and for all that the only thing standing between you and a life of security, opportunity, and choice is understanding the hidden math, embracing it, and using it relentlessly to build a future where money, time, and mental energy all work for you, instead of against you. And that is the power, the secret, and the truth of Scott Invest's approach to financial freedom, where knowledge, strategy, and disciplined action turn the impossible into inevitable, and the life you thought you couldn't afford into the life you control entirely, dollar by dollar, decision by decision, choice by choice.